Hello everyone, as many of you know, there aren't enough resources and videos to learn Kurmanji Kurdish on the internet. So I decided to open this YouTube channel. I have been giving lessons in Kurmanji Kurdish for many years, and I will prepare video content for basic and advanced Kurdish lessons on this channel. Here you will find videos for all grammar topics and in addition related to Kurdish culture. In other words, we will talk about Kurdish culture, music, stories and others in addition to language lessons. I hope I will make good quality videos so that this channel will achieve its goal. You can subscribe to my channel and like this video to support me. It makes me happy and motivates me to make new videos. Now, let's talk briefly about the Kurdish language first. The most spoken dialect of Kurdish are Sorani and Kurmanji. Kurmanji is the most widely used dialect, both spoken and written, and Kurmanji is spoken mostly in eastern Turkey and northern Syria. The Kurdish dialects Sorani, Kurmanji and southern Kurdish are quite different from each other. Yes, since they belong to the same language, we can recognize many similar words, even same words. But it is impossible for two Kurds speaking in different dialects to understand each other. At the end of this video, I will speak a little Kurmanji dialect. Now I would like to show you a little the dialect of Kurdish.
Kete zivistani berf başlamış kır dabari. Dabari bavê min rokî çû derhat nîvanê metî. Na der nakeke nîvan kiye.
This is the Kurmanji dialect of Kurdish spoken in a city in Turkey. Kurmanji-speaking Kurds can understand and speak to each other, although there are accent changes from region to region. Now I want to show you the Kurmanji dialect spoken in Syria and Iraq.
از کردستان سوری من از هاتم دنیا سال 1981 لباجار عموده ويشان بافي من عموده شغلي محامي كاتب عادل بولودكي
زعامي من تشلوسي صار مالا قندي مي كيفن نابي سيقبابي تكفي دبر زمار صار حفتي بينجي حكمة عراقي رجيم بعث أمدانا باركرن هر بينج مالي كرد آبدنا ناف قندكي عربا
So, I showed you the Kurmanji dialect of Kurdish spoken in Turkey, Iraq and Syria. As a Kurdish teacher, as a teacher who teaches the Kurmanji dialect, I can say that I understand all three accents. In other words, when you learn Kurmanji, you can communicate with Kurds who speak Kurmanji dialect apart from minor differences. These were the Kurmanji dialect we listened to. Now let's listen to the Sorani and Southern dialect.
تمنم 34 سالة تقريبا 11 سال لو 12 سال دتي ليرانم لە مانچسترم و باسی حفلەی خۆم دەکەم
مثلا خانەبەنان درن خانەبەنان عقد معمولا قبل از عروسی عقد دەکەن پیش عروسی عقد دەکەن بعد
Kurmanji, Sorani and Southern Kurdish have many common words because they belong to the same language. But basically, it is not possible for people who speak different dialect of Kurdish to understand each other. Therefore, someone who knows Kurmanji should also learn Sorani dialect. This map shows the places where Kurdish dialect are widely spoken. As you can see, Kurmanji Kurdish is spoken extensively in eastern Turkey, northern Syria and Iraq. We also see that Sorani Kurdish is spoken mainly in Iraq and Iran. With this map, I would like to talk about where the Kurdish population is based. Between 14 and 20 million Kurds live in Turkey. Therefore, Turkey is the place where the Kurdish population is most concentrated. Kurds in Turkey mainly speak in Kurmanji dialect. After giving general information about the Kurds and the Kurdish language, I would like to talk about the purpose of this channel in Kurmanji Kurdish. Salav ji her kesî re, navê min Murat e. Ez li Enqereyê di paytexta Tirkiyeyê de dijim. ji 2018 û vir de dersên Kurdiya kurmancî didim. Li ser înternetê çavkaniyên kurmancî gelek gemin. Ji bo vê yekê ez li ser vê qenala YouTubeê dersên Kurdî bidim. Ji bo asta serêtayî yanê ji sıfırê heta A1 ez ê kursekî amade bikim. Ji bo A2 û astên bilindtir jî dê kursekî din amade bikim û di vê qenalê de em li ser muzîk, wêje, helbest û çîrokên Kurdî jî diaxivin. Yani em ê li ser çanda Kurdî jî bipeyivin. If you subscribe to my channel and support me with your comments and feedbacks, this will motivate me to prepare new videos. The next video will be our first Kurdish lesson video. See you in that video.